love somebody and all you want is the same in return, that's me right now. I can have anybody in the world, but I want you. Look, listen. Girl, I want you for my own. Swear I want you for my own. If I could fly you around the world, I do just that to set the tone. Leave that other nigga alone. I'm a king, he just a pawn. Swear I lay awake at night. That's how much you got me gone. Marriage that I don't condone, but for you I break a bone. And if something happened to you, then I guess I'll be alone. Do you really love this nigga, or is nothing etched in stone? Cause if love is not a factor, I could break a happy home. And I wish you had a clone, then I leave y'all both alone. Cause I know he feels some way about this message on your phone. If he do, then bring it on. I don't care, I'm in the wrong. At the end of the day, it's just lust, moan. I don't mean no harm, but you shining like a charm. Plus this bubble on your back, part the reason you the bomb. And I wanna take you home, or fly you out to Rome. Sprinkle roses on the bed, Nouveau put you in the zone. And I want you for my own, boo, that's why I made this song. Once again, no disrespect, girl, if I'm saying something wrong, but I want you in my life. I need you as a wife. No, I said I wasn't ready, but finally seen the light. Look, probably fucked up, but fuck it, here it go. Girl, I cover you in honey and I lick you head to toe. Eat you every time I'm hungry and try not to let it show. When I'm out there with my niggas, girl, I know I played a role. But if truth was ever told, you know I treasure you like gold. If your heart was in my reach, I swear I never let it go. I think if I cuff her ass, more than likely she gon' glow. When she walk into a room, it's almost like she steal the show. And I hate to see you leave, but I love to watch you go. Take a look into my eyes, that's the gateway to the soul. And before you make your mind up thinking something you should know, really want you for my own, boo, this much more than a flow. Girl, I don't mean no harm, but you shining like a charm. Plus that bubble on your back is part the reason you the bomb. And I wanna take you home, or fly you out to Rome. Sprinkle roses on the bed, Nouveau put you in the zone. And I want you for my own. And I want you for my own. That's why I made this song, yeah.